20 reasons you should eat dark chocolate every day. Chocolate might taste sinfully sweet, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with indulging in this dessert food. In fact, eating dark chocolate especially could be really good for you. It has surprising health benefits, including everything from cancer prevention to better eyesight. Most of these benefits come exclusively from cocoa, meaning that the darker the chocolate, the healthier it will be. Popular chocolate candies, like the kinds you always hoped for while trick-or-treating, are often made of less actual chocolate and more added milk and sugar. These foods, while definitely delicious, unfortunately don't have the same benefits. There are dark chocolate bars out there, though, that have much less added sugar and other ingredients. They often list the percentage of cocoa used in their production. The higher the percentage, the darker the chocolate. 1. Chocolate is a mood booster. It's not just because it tastes good that eating chocolate makes you happy. Studies show that eating dark chocolate actually works chemically to improve your mood. Dark chocolate contains compounds that stimulate endorphins, the same compounds that are released after you exercise or laugh. If you need a pick-me-up, you could always do one of those things, or you could break off a square of quality dark chocolate and enjoy. 2. Chocolate could help prevent cancer. Dark chocolate, like wine, fruit, and coffee, contains powerful antioxidants. These molecules fight against free radicals, decreasing your risk of cancer. Of course, chocolate isn't the only food that can help reduce your risk. But it's certainly one of the more fun ones. Just make sure it's dark chocolate you're snacking on. The higher the percentage of cacao, the better the cancer-fighting benefit. 3. Chocolate could lower your risk of diabetes. This dessert food could actually help to prevent diabetes, unlike some sugary options that can increase your risk. According to a study from the University of Maine, people who eat dark chocolate at least once a week had a lower prevalence of diabetes and a significantly lower risk 4 to 5 years later. 4. Chocolate gives you natural energy. Chocolate is one of many foods that you might not realize contain caffeine. For this reason, it's probably not a good idea to indulge before bed, but a square of chocolate can easily pull you through your mid-afternoon slump. 5. Chocolate could improve your eyesight. You could eat carrots or some other vegetable to help preserve your eyesight. But chocolate could do the trick, too. According to some studies, the antioxidants in rich dark chocolate can literally enhance your vision. 6. Chocolate can help you fight depression. It won't replace your antidepressants, but eating a little dark chocolate, or another food that combats depression and anxiety, when you're feeling down could actually be a good idea. Dark chocolate can help your body to produce more serotonin. Serotonin can make you feel happier. People who suffer from depression often don't produce enough of it. 7. Chocolate is good for your heart. Antioxidants found in dark chocolate can prevent hardening of the arteries, therefore reducing your chances for heart disease. Show yourself a little love and buy yourself a treat, your heart will thank you. 8. Chocolate could lower your cholesterol. Dark chocolate is one of a few rich foods that are actually good for your cholesterol count. Chocolate contains cocoa butter, which provides the body with healthy amounts of saturated fat. The compounds work to decrease the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol in your body, improving your overall count over time. 9. Chocolate is good for your brain. Eating more chocolate is a smart idea, in part because it can actually make you smarter. The flavonoids in cocoa can help prevent cognitive decline, according to some studies. Dark chocolate also has healthy fats, which are thought to help with improving brain function. 10. Chocolate has protein and fiber. Both protein and fiber help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Luckily for chocolate lovers, dark chocolate has a good amount of both. That's part of why eating dark chocolate will feel more satisfying than eating another sugary treat. Save the iconic dessert foods for a special occasion and indulge in dark chocolate when you want a sweet yet satisfying snack. 11. Chocolate is a superfood. Superfood might sound like a meaningless buzzword, but superfoods are called as such because they're filled with so many nutrients. Dark chocolate is no exception. In a square of dark chocolate, there's fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, and more. It's also chock full of antioxidants. 12. Chocolate tastes really good. And that's a completely valid health reason you should eat it. Seriously, food that tastes good is actually better for you. The more you enjoy a food, the more nutrients you're able to absorb when you digest. So go ahead and enjoy every bite. 13. Chocolate is good for your gut health. What do dark chocolate and Greek yogurt have in common? Both of them have gut-healthy probiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria in your gut. Adding more of them can help regulate digestion and increase absorption of nutrients. Chocolate has probiotics, too, which feed the good bacteria you already have. 14. Chocolate is like a natural sunblock. According to some studies, cocoa contains compounds that help protect your skin from ultraviolet rays. Don't skip the sunblock, but do bring some dark chocolate to the beach. Just make sure you eat it before it melts. 15. Chocolate prevents cavities. The chocolate candies made with lots of added sugar aren't going to have the same effect. Sorry, Hershey's, but the low sugar, high cocoa kinds can actually protect your teeth from decay. Cocoa beans contain antibacterial compounds that prevent plaque buildup and the formation of biofilms where cavity-causing bacteria can thrive. Dentists love the stuff, keeping it off their list of foods they won't touch. 16. Chocolate is good for your skin. Hold on. But doesn't chocolate make you break out? Too much chocolate candy can have that effect. But it's not actually the chocolate that's causing pimples. It's probably the sugar. Cocoa, one of the main ingredients in dark chocolate and cocoa butter cosmetic products, can increase circulation to your skin, therefore boosting natural hydration. One study showed that eating cocoa for 12 weeks reduced moisture loss in skin by 25%. 17. Chocolate can help lower your blood pressure. In a randomized control trial, regular consumption of cocoa resulted in a lowered blood pressure over time. Unlike some indulgent foods that can send your blood pressure through the roof, dark chocolate can help to calm things down. 18. Chocolate can lower your risk of stroke. Okay, what can't chocolate do? This superfood can also help reduce your risk of a stroke, according to a recent review of studies. The researchers' results suggest you should eat somewhere around 6 or fewer servings per week to receive these benefits, but if you eat more than that, we won't tell. 19. Chocolate can get rid of stress. Stress-eating chocolate actually makes a good amount of sense. Eating chocolate reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases serotonin, the happy hormone. Chocolate therapy, anyone? 20. Chocolate can give your workouts a boost. Dark chocolate can give you pre-workout energy, mid-workout motivation, and post-workout recovery. It has caffeine for a pre-workout jolt, a stimulation of endorphins to keep you going, and antioxidants to help with muscle repair. So you might want to replace your protein bar with some dark chocolate and fruit, and avoid eating these other foods before your workout, if you can. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.